at today, Matthew?
We're in fucking Meridian at fucking the Butte Creek fucking meet, buddy. What's up?
Where we at, Brandon? Where we at, Brandon? Where we at, Colin?
I don't know, dude.
Yeah, who the fuck are you? Get out of here. Matter of fact, what? What we going on, Movie?
Yeah, Butte Creek VIP truck meet.
Oh. No post, 78.
You popping on, bro.
I know, dude. What are these?
Yo, bro, I bought these fucking Archons 26 by 14.
You guys talking about we
One and 16. I'm trying to make YouTube videos. I bought these 26 by 14 and spent like $8 grand on them. The guy kind of sucked my dick, so I might have paid him for free. This nigga is sucking on his dick. He's a little dick rider.
Alright, your name and last name. Who the fuck are you? Right now.
Caleb said to erase him to Colin, and Colin was throwing a fit about it, but now he's being a bitch because he's being filmed.
Is that true?
Yep. Stop, dude.
Stop, yo.
Dude, stop.
Besos?
You know how you just all the time.
What?
What the fuck?
What?
Are you admitting?
I'm videoing.
Follow the TikTok.
Somebody.
Hold on. What do you want me to do? Oh.